If you've ever found yourself trapped in that endless loop where you wake up, grab your phone, and suddenly hours disappear into TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram without doing anything productive, then this video is exactly for you, because just a few months ago, I was living that same life. I used to watch others earning money, building businesses, enjoying life, while I just kept scrolling, feeling stuck and unable to do anything. Then one day I got angry at myself. I put my phone down, opened my laptop, and started exploring AI tools, most of which were completely free. I wasn't motivated, I wasn't ready either, but I started anyway. And that uncomfortable Tuesday morning gave me my first $100 online, without any special skills or big investment. Asterisk, today I'm going to tell you about those 3 paths that helped me reach this milestone. And in 2026, thousands of people are walking these same paths to achieve their first earnings. But let me be clear about one truth first. I wasn't lucky, I was lazy, but I had gotten tired of being lazy. AI does 70 to 80% of the work, but you still have to edit, refine, and deliver quality. There's no magic button. In the beginning, I put in 5 to 10 focused hours daily, ignoring that I'm not in the mood today feeling. And as soon as that first $100 came in, everything changed. Momentum built up. So you have just one goal, choose one path today, work consistently for 7 to 30 days, and achieve your first earning. Asterisk, the first path that got me my initial gigs was selling AI-assisted content on freelance platforms. I created a simple profile on Fiverr. Fast AI content, social captions, and product descriptions. 24-hour delivery. My packages were very simple. $15 for 5 captions and $25 for 500 words. I used ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini to generate 80% of the content, giving prompts like, write 5 trendy Instagram captions for this product, with Gen Z vibe, add emojis, and strong call to action. Then I would edit everything, add personality to it, give it a human touch. Never ever copy-paste without editing. I kept prices low initially to get reviews, delivered fast, asked for feedback, and with just 3 to 5 small gigs ranging from $15 to $40, my first $100 came in. This path gave me quick wins and confidence. Asterisk, the second path was digital downloads, meaning create once and sell repeatedly. After creating the product, it keeps selling even while you sleep or even when you're scrolling like before. There's tremendous demand for products like prompt packs, planners, resume templates. I generated printables. I chose what I needed myself, productivity tools. I gave a prompt. Create a 20-page printable planner for busy professionals, including habit tracker, gratitude section, weekly goals, and wins page. Then I designed it in Canva's free version, exported as PDF, priced it between $5 to $10, uploaded to Gumroad and Etsy, and promoted on Reddit groups and Pinterest. My first sale took 1 to 2 weeks, but then it started coming in like passive income. This path builds long-term income. Asterisk, the third path was AI voiceovers and faceless videos, which has massive demand nowadays. I didn't want to record my own voice, so I used 11 Labs and MURF.A for voice generation and edited with CapCut. I offered gigs like AI voiceover, 100 words for $15, and faceless short video, $25. The client would send the script. I would paste it into the AI voice tool, generate audio, add simple visuals in CapCut, and deliver within 24 hours. These small jobs of $20 to $40 add up quickly and prove that this really works. Asterisk. Now, let me tell you about the mistakes I made so you don't make them. First mistake, copy-pasting AI content without editing, which made it sound robotic and clients would notice. Second mistake, waiting for motivation, when the truth is that motivation comes after taking action, not before. The real change happened when I set small targets. Not, I have to earn $100, but I have to open Fiverr today, or I have to send 5 proposals, or I have to create 1 product. Tracking small wins helped, and seeing even $15 hit my account made the laziness disappear. Then I slowly reinvested in better tools. Asterisk, listen carefully. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be talented. You don't even need to feel ready. You just need to start. I was that guy who scrolled all day, and if I can do this, you absolutely can too. Education plus AI plus action equals earning? That's the next Gen Scholar formula. Asterisk. So here's your challenge now. Comment below and tell me whether you're starting with path 1, 2, or 3. Don't overthink it, just choose one and start today. If you're in the mood to stop scrolling and start earning, hit like and subscribe for real and practical AI guides without hype, just with execution. Stop consuming and start building, because your first $100 is waiting, so let's go get it.